Hello everyone. Today I'd like to do a little bragging on my new Dragon holster I got. Recently switched from carrying in my appendix, like a lot of people start out, to recently carrying in my kidney position, which is much more comfortable being as active as I am as a plumber. Anyway, a few other features this new holster's got that's extremely well made that I'd like to point out. Number one, we've got an extra pad of leather up here that I did not have on my previous holster. And that pad of leather, number one, keeps the rough end of the piece from rubbing in my gut or on my back. But number two, it also keeps sweat off of my firearm, which is a big bonus considering I've had corrosion issues in the past. Also, the cup, which is made out of Kydex, covers the muzzle completely down to the bottom of the muzzle, all the way to the end. So the firearm's pretty much covered everywhere except for where you need to grab it when it's time for business. Another thing I really like about this holster, the clips, which are made out of really heavy gauge Kydex, they're also attached way down at the very bottom, which allows them to pivot a little. So when you know you're getting ready to bend over or something, you can quickly shift if you need to gain a little extra position. Also being fastened at the bottom means I can tuck my shirt in all the way down over my firearm if I want a dressier appearance or just walk into a meeting and not have everybody staring at something hung up there. So, few features that I'm really impressed with on this holster. The construction of it's very well made too, from the fasteners all being really flush fit on both the clips and the cup. So Keith's done a really nice job on the fit and finish of the firearm. Even the tensioning spot around the trigger guard, as active as I am, I have had not had my firearm come out of the cup unexpectedly. Another advantage too, compared to my old holster, which was made of all leather, this thing is a lot easier to draw and reholster when you need to. So if you're interested in a new holster, check out Dragon holsters. You know, I've been wearing this thing. I didn't want to do the review video right away because I wanted to wear it for a little while. See, it's conforming to my shape. I don't want to take this thing out of a package and tell you how nice the packaging is. I want you to know how well this thing is made and how well it fits a lifestyle for somebody that's active in, pursuing happiness. So if you're looking for a holster, I guarantee you'll be satisfied with a Dragon holster. Give them a call. Thanks.